Welcome to BVG Automotive. Today, we're excited to showcase this 2019 BMW X2 2.0 20DM Sport X Auto xDrive. Let's take a closer look at what this vehicle has to offer. At the front, the BMW X2 features the iconic kidney grille, complemented by sleek LED headlights. The M Sport styling adds a dynamic touch to its appearance. From the side, you'll notice the 20-inch alloy wheels and roof rails, enhancing both its style and practicality. The sharp body lines give it a sleek and aerodynamic look. At the rear, the X2 is equipped with LED taillights and a sporty rear spoiler. The electric-powered tailgate offers convenient access to the spacious boot. Registered in February 2019, this BMW X2 has had 2 owners and comes with a recent service, 12-month MOT, a 3-month warranty, and an HPI Clear certificate for peace of mind. Stepping inside, the BMW X2 features an electric-powered tailgate for easy access to the spacious boot. The black leather seats provide a premium feel, with heated front seats for added comfort. Sporty steering wheel comes with built-in controls for cruise control, media, and hands-free functions. At the center, the infotainment system features a navigation system, Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, and a Harman Kardon sound system, ensuring a connected and enjoyable drive. In the back, the BMW X2 offers comfortable leather seats with plenty of legroom for passengers. The rear design provides a spacious and premium feel, making every journey enjoyable. The BMW X2 offers a spacious boot with a wide opening, making loading and unloading easy. With the electric-powered tailgate, access is effortless at the touch of a button. For more information, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call our sales team on 0161 399 1629, quoting registration WO68WJE,